Benji. But today's video, we are going to unbox my baby bata. Woo, I'm so excited. Let's see. So let's unbox it now. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, this is folding, that's why. Oh my god. This is the crown for my baby. Oh, so cute. Look at this. And this is the crown. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh my god, this is the tool. So I need my husband to fix this. And this is the installation step, how to fix it. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can show you this. Oh my god. Look at this. Ang cute ng baby bear. So this is the bathtub. Oh my god. OMG. I think I need my husband to fix this though. It's like this. And like this. Oh my god, it's so cute. Yeah, my friendship. And this is the thermometer. And we have the phone. And this one, the crown. And this is the set to fix the thermometer. So, here. Yeah, my friendship. Goodbye.